4:10. Just waiting for Danny to pick me up. Then we're off to Beach Mere. Going to be doing a bit of soft baiting for flatheads and whatever else we can pick up along there. So stay posted. Let's stop 7-Eleven. What did you get, Danny, for brekkie?
Had to grab the essentials. We got the banana bread.
Yeah.
And a energy Red Bull. How good's that?
Yeah, 7-Eleven caramel choc chip muffin, mate. Give it a whirl. So we're about 35 minutes from Redcliffe, driving north. What's the time, Danny?
5:07. We are 4 minutes away from our
Spot X.
Secret flatty spot.
It's pretty windy, not gonna lie. I told Danny that the wind was gonna be blocked, eh? But
yeah, but it's
just straight blowing.
But it doesn't matter. Hopefully we get out there, catch some flatties, hopefully catch a feed too. I'm already hungry. It's only fucking, what, 5 o'clock in the morning?
5 o'clock. Two energy drinks smashed and a bit of banana cake and muffins.
Yeah. We just left that spot that we were at. And pretty windy. So it's gone to spot X. Give this a crack. We'll probably sit here for a little bit, and then once low tide hits, we'll hit Pays Inlet. There we go. Low tide. Let's go. Oh, what we got? Oh, nice little brim.
No, this is a snapper.
The little brim. Oh, we got a brim. First cast of the day. Spot X, lads. Let's go. I got a cut on my fucking hand. Oh.
It's not a lot. I don't even feel dry, eh? You just...
Yeah, right. What do we got?
Oh, lad.
Oh, that's a
56.
50. No, that's 57, brother. Yeah, why not? Yes. Yes.
Change spot for the third time.
Again, we've got one decent brim, one fat flathead.
About 57.
Which we missed. Yeah.
You know, so that we got the release on camera, but we're kind of just around the corner from a well-known spot. Who knows, eh? But anyway, follow, like, and subscribe. It's always Flatty Hunters.
Let's go.
Little Danny's first fish of the day, eh? Got the standard size for you, eh? Cuz a little pit stop, couple pike, one decent flatty that Danny forgot to record because he was too busy trying to catch his own. But we're off to just get some supplies and then we're gonna head back.
We're on. What do we got? What is that? Oh, little puffer. That's a fat puffer, bro. Look at the teeth on it, bro. Holy. Ugh, look at that. Things are starting to pick up.
Yeah, we've been bouncing around a bit.
By any means, we are not professional anglers. We started this 2 weeks ago. Turtle. A little bit of turtle action. Ghost is about to fucking break his legs. We started this 2 weeks ago at the same spot. And we just fell in love with it. Went to Anaconda yesterday. Brought me a fishing shirt, so... full-time fisherman now. We've been racing to the GoPro every time we're on. The bro will be mid-jig back, and I'd be on, he'd be like, bro, I'm coming. Shout out to the broski. I'm the real Flatty Slayer. What?
It's a Flatty. Oh, yeah.
Flatty's on, boys.
Oh, he's nice, bro.
Good one, mate.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice fish, brother.
Yes, sir.
boys on another one. Sir. Sir. Other one. Yeah.
That's another fatty, bro.
Solid one. Yeah.
We're on now, brother. Side there, right? Oh.
Oh, lad, that is a fucking solid.
Bit of a slow day, but
Nice fish though.
yeah, still caught a couple of flatties, brim, pufferfish, and some pikes.
Plays pretty decent.
Yeah. You caught a fatty today. First
57?
up, yeah. But it hasn't been the greatest day of fishing, but you know, we still made something out of it.
That wind day.
Yeah. Wind was a bit crazy, but all week 2A, all week we've been messaging back and forth, bro, the weather's hectic, let's go. And then the day of fishing it was just like, oh. But yeah, a bit of a slow start. But I think we got there in the end. We're gonna head to one more spot. Suss out under a little bridge, see what we can produce there, but if not, that's us.
You're gonna feed.
Yes, sir. See.
Making next more videos, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hit us up if you want us to go hit some spots or make any content.
Yeah.
Only fishing content.
Link in bio.